Tucked away in the little town of Mulvane, Kansas, is a true gem of a shop. This is Triumph Flower Company, also known as Rowan's Flower Shop. Though it may be small, it is one of my new favorite local discoveries for a number of reasons. When you walk into this floral company, you're not only greeted by a beautiful space and ambiance, but also by some very friendly folks. Rowan's has been around for a while, but about a year ago, a new owner stepped up. Kimberly is not only a sweet soul, but has a fabulous vision for the shop, which has already begun to take shape. She is very passionate about supporting local artists as well as local growers. Many of the flowers and greenery available are grown locally, and she's working to bring more artisan-made items to the shop, including many items made by Kansans. I was especially excited to find these intoxicating handcrafted lotions and perfumes by Rouge and Rye, a Kansas-based business. In addition to providing exquisite floral arrangements and gifts, the shop is specializing in micro weddings. And the wonderful thing is that not only do they make gorgeous displays, but their rental fees are actually much lower than those of other companies in the area. Whether you're looking for a small gift or require something a little more grand, give Kimberly a visit or a call. I would also recommend following them on Facebook to stay updated on upcoming events. For example, you can attend a tea party where you create your own small bouquet, but be sure to RSVP as they will run out of space fast.